What's up everybody, it's Marlon, and let's talk crypto. Specifically, let's dive into the top 10 cryptocurrencies that I think have the potential to absolutely explode in 2025. Listen, I know what you're thinking, another crypto video? But trust me on this one, we're going deep into the projects that are making serious waves in the market right now. But before we get started, remember this is not financial advice, and the crypto space is highly volatile. Do your own research, understand the risks, and only invest what you can afford to lose. First up we have the OG, the one and only Bitcoin. You can't talk about crypto without mentioning Bitcoin. It's like talking about real estate and not mentioning, well, houses. Bitcoin is the gold standard, the king, the big dog. It's been around since 2009, and guess what? It's still the most recognized and valuable cryptocurrency out there. Why? Because Bitcoin is like digital gold. It's scarce, with a limited supply of only 21 million coins ever going to be mined. That scarcity creates value, just like gold. And as more institutions jump on board buying Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation, that value is only going to increase. Now, Bitcoin has its critics, and yeah, it can be volatile. But you know what else is volatile? The stock market. Every investment has its risks, and Bitcoin is no different. But for long-term growth potential, Bitcoin is still the king. Next up we have Ethereum, and let me tell you, this is more than just a cryptocurrency. Ethereum is a platform, a technology, a whole ecosystem built on something called smart contracts. Think of smart contracts like self-executing agreements. They cut out the middleman, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. And Ethereum is the platform where these smart contracts come to life. That's why it's the backbone of decentralized finance, or DeFi, which is like Wall Street but without the Wall Street. We're talking lending, borrowing, trading, all happening on the blockchain, all powered by Ethereum. Now Ethereum has been working on some major upgrades like Ethereum 2.0, which is going to make it even faster and more efficient. And with the explosion of DeFi and NFTs, which are also built on Ethereum, this is a cryptocurrency with massive potential in 2025 and beyond. Now let's talk about speed, because in the crypto world, speed is king. And that's where Solana comes in. Solana is a high-performance blockchain that's built for speed and scalability. We're talking about thousands of transactions per second with fees that are a fraction of what you'd pay on Ethereum. That's why Solana has become a favorite for developers building DeFi and NFT projects. These projects need a platform that can handle a lot of transactions quickly and cheaply, and that's exactly what Solana provides. Solana is still relatively new compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum, but its growth has been nothing short of explosive. And with its focus on innovation and its growing ecosystem, Solana is definitely one to watch in 2025. Now, let's move on to Cardano, a cryptocurrency that's all about taking a scientific approach to blockchain technology. Cardano is built on peer-reviewed research and developed through a rigorous process of academic rigor. It's like the valedictorian of the cryptocurrency world. But don't let that fool you. Cardano is not just about theory, it's about real-world impact. Cardano is being used for projects in developing countries, like creating digital identities and tracking agricultural products. Cardano is still in its early stages, but its focus on sustainability, scalability, and security make it a promising contender in the long run. If you're looking for a cryptocurrency that's built on solid foundations, Cardano is definitely worth considering. Remember how we talked about Ethereum being a bit slow and expensive sometimes? Well, Polygon is here to fix that. Polygon is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, which basically means it helps Ethereum run faster and cheaper. Think of it like this. Ethereum is like a busy highway during rush hour. It's congested, slow, and expensive. Polygon is like building a high-speed rail line on top of that highway. It allows for faster and cheaper travel without changing the underlying infrastructure. Polygon has become incredibly popular with developers who want to build on Ethereum but don't want to deal with its limitations. And as Ethereum continues to grow, Polygon is only going to become more important. Now, let's talk about Avalanche, a platform that's all about building customized blockchains called subnets. Subnets are like mini blockchains that are specifically designed for a particular application or use case. For example, you could have a subnet for supply chain management, a subnet for gaming, and a subnet for financial services. Each subnet can have its own rules, its own tokens, and its own governance structure. This makes Avalanche incredibly flexible and scalable. It can accommodate a wide range of applications and use cases without compromising on speed or security. And with its growing ecosystem of developers and projects, Avalanche is definitely a force to be reckoned with. Now let's talk about Chainlink, a cryptocurrency that plays a crucial role in the world of DeFi. Chainlink is a decentralized oracle network, which might sound complicated, but it's actually quite simple. Oracles are basically sources of information for smart contracts. Remember those self-executing contracts we talked about earlier? Well, they need data from the real world to function. For example, a smart contract that pays out insurance claims needs to know if an accident actually happened. That's where Chainlink comes in. It provides a secure and reliable way for smart contracts to access real-world data. This is essential for DeFi applications like lending, borrowing, and trading, which rely on accurate data to function properly. Now, let's move on to Polkadot, a cryptocurrency that has a grand vision for the future of blockchain technology. Polkadot wants to create a blockchain internet, where different blockchains can communicate and interact with each other seamlessly. Think of it like the early days of the internet. Back then, different networks were isolated from each other. Polkadot wants to break down those walls and create a more interconnected and interoperable blockchain ecosystem. This has the potential to revolutionize the way we use blockchain technology. It could enable new forms of collaboration, innovation, and value creation. And with its strong community and ambitious roadmap, Polkadot is definitely one to keep an eye on. Now, let's talk about a newcomer to the scene, Sui. Sui is a cryptocurrency that's been making waves in the crypto world with its innovative approach to scalability and efficiency. Sui is designed to handle a massive volume of transactions with incredibly low latency. This makes it ideal for applications like payments, gaming, and social media, which require fast and cheap transactions. Sui is still in its early stages, but its unique architecture and focus on usability make it a promising contender in the long run. If you're looking for a cryptocurrency that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible, Sui is definitely worth checking out. Finally, let's wrap things up with Ondo Finance, a cryptocurrency that's changing the game for decentralized finance. Ondo Finance offers structured financial products, which are like traditional financial products but built on the blockchain. This allows investors to access a wider range of risk and return profiles. For example, you could invest in a low-risk product that offers stable returns, or you could invest in a high-risk, high-reward product. Ondo Finance gives you the flexibility to choose what's right for you. With its innovative approach to DeFi and its growing ecosystem of partners, Ondo Finance is poised to become a major player in the world of decentralized finance. If you're looking to diversify your crypto portfolio and explore new investment opportunities, Ondo Finance is definitely worth considering. So, there you have it, our top 10 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2025. Remember, this is not financial advice and the crypto market is highly volatile. Do your own research, understand the risks, and only invest what you can afford to lose. But if you're looking for the next big thing in crypto, these are the projects that I'm most excited about. Stay informed, invest smart, and as always, happy investing.